In this video, I'm going to show you Hyperx Cloud 3 wireless, the best setup. So the first thing is to install Nginx from Microsoft Store and update firmware. After that, just restart your computer. Then turn on mic monitoring in Nginx because they have an amazing side tone. DTS-X in Nginx stays off also. You do not need any equalizer since they are balanced. Then close Nginx. After that, just install DTS Unbound from Microsoft Store. Open DTS Unbound and turn on DTS headphones and DTS-X. Go to System and then Sound and open the headphone settings as seen in picture. Then set audio enhancements to off and set spatial sound to DTS headphone X. After that, just restart and enjoy.